delay is there, but here activity work is completed. So like this, what happens? So here you can make a finish date here. So like this. Now you can see here actual work completed. These are the actual work completed. 100% work completed. 100% work completed, and the remaining duration of this activity will be 0. Okay, this is what you are going to make a schedule and make a progress of your project. Okay, now I want to show the some profile. What is the activity usage profile? Now you can see here. Suppose if you had assigned any manpower for your projects, how the graphical representation you are going to have. You can see here. Just you can just observe this one. All activities or selected activities. All activities. If I am going here, this is you can see here vertical bars. These vertical bars. Yellow color is nothing but budgeted total, and green color is nothing but actual total. How much you had covered. You can see here. Okay, this time limit is in terms of I will consider change the time limits here. Uh, Time limits I will consider week per day one. It will be yes, it will be comfortable way. Now you can see here the graph per day wise how much you are going to utilize here. So here it is very less here. If I go for individual activities, for example, individual activity, if I go, eh, okay, so you can see here. So here this site clearance already work is completed. So what it shows here, you can see here. Yellow is budgeted total. Actual total means it is 100% work completed. If you go for some activities which is having say part of work completed here. If I select here some activities, okay, some activities, okay, some activities, okay, okay. Now if I select this particular activity, you can see here. I will use this activity. Okay, so yes, here some color it is showing remaining labor. So here what happens? Okay, just I will make some changes here. It will be having say green color, and this should be actually should be always in the blue color. Yellow will be the budgeted, and if you want to highlight target also you can highlight it. Now you can see whatever the blue color you are seeing here in the graphical area. This graphs it is actual work completed, and whatever the green color and yellow color you are seeing here, this is what you are going to have balance work to be performed. That is remaining labor units, budgeted labor units. See, budgeted means whatever we are going to plan for that particular activity, and if you complete certain work, and balance work is nothing but remaining labor. Okay, so this is what very important. This, see, every time the client will ask this, send me profile. What is the profile here? So what is the curve also? Cumulative is nothing but curve. See here you are seeing the some curves. When I see here, this is a curve. Can you see here? This is a curve. So what is the curve means? It is a cumulative units which is required for the activities of the resource, or overall project wise. What is the total duration or total cost required for the entire project? Now here, if you want to know the exact value for this one, just if you're double clicking, so it will shows the what is the cumulative units for whatever the you are selecting particular activity. You are going to have the cumulative of the curve. This is nothing but S curve. S curve is nothing but it is a appearance of the curve will be in terms of S shape. So we are calling S curve. S curve is nothing but it is a cumulative units required for the activities of the project, or activities of the project of the resource, or entire resource, or you can say quantity required for the entire project. If I select all activities means it will shows the quantities which is required for all the activities. So this is all the activities quantity you required. Like this, it is going to display here. So it is in terms of day wise is there. If I consider in the terms of month wise, it will be having very clear. So if I go for the time scale as month wise, week wise not month wise per week wise. If I consider here, now it is easily identified. Will easily identify. Can you see these curves? If you are having week wise means then it will be somewhat clarity you are going to get then gov. Now directly you take the print of this graph and you can submit to the weekly wise reports, whatever the reports you are going to submit for the clients. So this is what you are going to have the profile, and some you can see here resource usage profile also. You can see if you are using some resources here, whatever the resource you are going to use. Okay, so like this. So when I use some here, okay, so project manager labor, okay, so like this, whatever the you had used the resources. So here you can see here some resources I'm using. So that resources will be displaying here when I select particular resource. So here you can see some, I would like to explain this particular material here, cement. So you can see here, uh, some are displaying in the red color. Can you see here about this black line? The red color is going to display here. These are nothing but over allocated early units. Over allocated early units means, so when you add a resource, when you assign a resource in the software, what happens? There is a limitation of time limitation of that particular resources. So when you go for the particular calendar, it will be in terms of 8 units per day or 8 hours per day will be the calendar for the default calendar for the software. But if you are exceeding the 8 hours in the file using the uh, activities, if you are assigning any resource to the respective activities, if you are exceeding that one time duration, then it is going to display the red color. Red color is nothing but we are going to use more than the assigned assigned hours for the particular resources. Instead of 8 hours, I am using more than that one. So that graph it is showing here over allocated early units. So yellow color is nothing but budgeted units, which is planned initially. Then actual unit means if you've done some work is completed, and remaining early unit means balance work. What is the balance work is there? That is nothing but remaining early units. And over allocated early unit means if you are using the more than the required, whatever the assigned work units, if you are crossing that limitations, you are going to get over allocated early units. And that black color is nothing but this line, particular horizontal line is nothing but limit, means we cannot cross the limit. If you're crossing the limit, what happens? You are going to get the over allocations. So this is what you are going to have profile. This is about the resources. When you select a particular resources, then you are going to find the what is the utilization of work hours per day wise or per week wise or per month wise, depending upon the time scale what you are going to select. Okay, this is what you are going to have the software. Okay, sir. Hello, sir.